Rooster!
All right, KFO family, we are back in North Dakota and we are after some pheasants. We have 10 guys out here today. We're on a buddy's property. This is the same property we were on last year for our Freezing for Pheasants video. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out after. We've got these 3 dogs with us today. We got Dexter, the German Shorthair Pointer, right there. We got Kaiser here in the middle, my wire hair pointer. And then we've got Sadie, the 11-month-old yellow lab. And these dogs busted their tails today. We've seen a ton of birds, we had a great time, but I'm going to let the video tell the story, and we'll see you guys at the end.
Yeah, they're both going nuts up here. Where they at, Kaiser? Where they at? Where they at? He's on one. And no bird. Kaiser, no bird. Good dog. Good dog. Good boy. Where they at? Where they at? That's not a gun. I know you wish it was. Good boy, Kaiser.
That's my kind of walk.
Rooster. Get it.
That was Kaiser, he went off point.
Did he?
Yeah.
Well, that works. I'm glad he hasn't given up yet. It's been kind of impressive watching him work cattails a little bit today. Usually that's a no-go.
You think another knock?
I do. I think that settles him in a little more. It's like last year, those 2 labs out, he settled right in. And it's me and him, he's kind of thick-headed. That's all. Rooster! Hey, Kaiser, this way. Rooster! Dead bird, you're right by it, dude. Good boy, bring it here, dead bird. Dead bird, good boy. Dead bird, good boy, dead bird. Dead bird. Drop it. Banded.
That's it?
Yeah.
Nice. Kaiser!
Runner. Jump on it. Get it. Get it. Rooster.
That one.
Yeah, kinda. A little mutilated.
Yeah, go one.
Good. Rooster, rooster.
Get right on the side of the road.
Rooster. He's on one. Get it, Kaiser. You ready? I'm not. Where'd it go? Get it. Get it. Get it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Kaiser. Kaiser, come here. And no bird, no.
And that wraps up our video. We've got this beautiful banded rooster. We actually got 2 bands today, but I have to give a huge thank you to our friend Josh and his family for letting us hunt their property. They do an amazing job managing the pheasant population on their property. They only hunt it once a year, and this is the result. So we got to hang out with a bunch of cool guys today, help keep their property for pheasants pristine, and obviously we're going to be eating good. Beautiful birds, a lot of older birds. Those banded birds were definitely a few years old. The dogs worked phenomenally today. Very proud of Kaiser. Dexter and Sadie did an amazing job as well. I cannot wait till this hunt next year, and I can't wait to see you guys next week with some new ice fishing content.